Hey guys, what's up? It's me. I'm not ready yet. Okay,
Hold on.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Timmy here. That's Roblox Master, and I'm turned into a puppy for some reason. Now my recorder's name is Logan, and Logan, please don't get close to me or run away, like every single dog does. And guys, I have like one dog, and it's like a dog in the house. So Logan, please turn around. Logan, turn around. See? So there's a dog in there. Now Logan, please turn back around.
Okay, guys, we're gonna end the video right, guys. Peace.